If you miss the annual report deadline for your PT/PMA, you're facing fines up to 100 million rupiah, and here's how to file on time every year. Here's the problem. Most foreign business owners think it's once. PT/PMA companies file 2 reports: tax annual report by April 30th, legal annual report within 6 months of fiscal year end. Missing either deadline triggers automatic fines starting at 1 million rupiah, escalating to 100 million for repeat violations. Indonesia changed PT/PMA reporting rules in 2023, and most foreign directors still don't know. You're required to file twice per year, not once. A Singapore entrepreneur running a Bali villa management PT/PMA missed the legal annual report in August 2026. Within 30 days, the Ministry of Law flagged the company, froze new permits, and issued a 25 million rupiah fine. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to handle both filings so you never miss a deadline. Most people fail here. They think the tax annual report to the tax office is the only filing. Wrong. You also owe a separate legal annual report to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights, due within 6 months after your fiscal year closes. Miss that second one and your company gets blacklisted from opening bank accounts, hiring new employees, or renewing business licenses. Do not assume your accountant files both. In 78% of cases, accountants only handle the tax filing. Step 1 is knowing your 2 deadlines. Your tax annual report goes to the Directorate General of Taxation by April 30th every year. Your legal annual report goes to the Ministry of Law within 6 months of your fiscal year end. If your fiscal year ends December 31st, you have until June 30th. TheBaliLawyer tracks both deadlines for every PT/PMA client and files 30 days early to avoid last-minute system crashes. Step 2 is preparing the legal annual report correctly. This is important. The Ministry requires your balance sheet, profit and loss statement, signed director resolution, and notarized shareholder meeting minutes. One missing signature, and the entire filing gets rejected. You then resubmit and pay late fees. TheBaliLawyer handles the full legal annual report package, 2 to 5 million rupiah depending on your company size, filed within 24 hours of receiving your financials. Here's the problem most PT/PMA owners face right now. You filed your tax annual report in April and thought you were done. Your legal annual report is still sitting unfiled. The Ministry sends no reminder. The first notice you get is the blacklist letter and the fine. After using TheBaliLawyer, both reports land on time, your compliance status stays green, and you never touch the paperwork. Here's the exact process TheBaliLawyer uses for the legal annual report. First, we pull your audited or unaudited financial statements from your accountant. Second, we draft the director resolution approving the financials using this template language. The Board of Directors of PT, your company name, hereby approves the financial statements for the fiscal year ending a date, in accordance with Indonesian accounting standards, and authorizes submission to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. Third, we arrange a virtual shareholder meeting, record the minutes, and get them notarized by our in-house notary. Fourth, we upload everything to the Ministry's SABH system and track the approval in real time. You get a copy of the stamped approval letter within 7 days. The Board of Directors of PT, your company name, hereby approves the financial statements for the fiscal year ending a date, in accordance with Indonesian accounting standards, and authorizes submission to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. PT/PMA files 2 annual reports per year, not 1. Tax report by April 30th, legal report within 6 months of fiscal close. TheBaliLawyer handles both for 2 to 5 million rupiah, link below. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for help filing your PT/PMA annual reports on time. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.